I'm gonna be in an elevator in a minute, so
Okay.
I'm gonna lose connection for like 30 seconds.
Okay. Uh, all right. So, guys, start recording. Hello, everyone. Today is July 23rd, 2025. This is the Kubernetes data protection meeting. Okay, so let's look at the CET status. Does anyone have an update on this?
Sure. Yeah, we don't have much updates since last time. We are still waiting for the reviews on the blog PR. I have pinged the team a couple of times, and I'll continue following up.
Okay.
There is a PR about PR on the external snapshot of metadata um, repo
Mm-hmm.
about adding a new argument to pass the audience string
Mm-hmm.
during start of the server. So yeah, nothing much after that. Like I have there's some minor PRs are here and there and waiting for the reviews.
Okay. Do you know if Carl's joined today?
No, he won't be able to make it. He has conflict.
Okay, because I actually need him for for something. Oh,
Okay.
um, so
There's also one more update.
yeah.
We noticed that the client libraries in external snapshot metadata doesn't have like a tagged version of 0.1.0.
Hmm?
For some reason, my browser is loading very slowly.
Does not
But yeah,
this
I'll
tag
paste the
don't have
link.
this tag? Sorry, you're saying there's this tag is not there? What do you mean? What tag?
I mean the client libraries,
Client
the
library.
client
Oh, so
packaging
that
library.
actually, so okay, so that actually needs a separate release. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I think I forgot that. Okay, so I can tag that though. Now, have you guys got this figured out? Can you do this now, or you still don't have the permission? I saw somebody change it, added you guys, right? Does it? So, so basically, we need to tag this with the. If you look at the external snapshot, you will see it's a weird way of tagging it. But if you look at snapshot as an example, you will see how to tag this. But it's like a separate release, right? But I know I did this for this other one, but I don't know if you guys have you gotten your permission problem sorted out? Then you can try it. Otherwise, I can help. Okay, I think if you look at some example.
Yeah, I think we have the permissions, but we don't know like how to tag that particular folder. Like,
Oh, you can't just tag that particular folder. You have just because they're all together, so you just have to tag the whole thing. You can't tag the just that folder. So like this one, right? If you look at this one, this is for the whole. This is for the whole thing. You can't. It's not possible. Only tag that one folder.
okay, client slash.
So basically, when you tag it, it just it's just the format is little special. You just use this. Yeah, you come here, you see this. It's like client forward slash something like this. Um,
Yeah.
this will be for
How
the
do we create?
yeah. This is just it's the same. It's the same. You basically just go to the same place to tag it. You can't just tag party because they're in the same folder. I'm sorry, they're in the same repo. You cannot only tag like partially, right? So look at the I don't know how to check. Actually, I don't know how to check the tags here.
So do we just need to add client prefix to the tag?
Yeah, you just need to add another. You need to basically release it. So if you look at here, right? So this is basically this is tagged the whole thing. It's not, you can't just say this one only for this, not for the rest of them. That's not possible. So you do the same thing. You come here, release. Where's the other one? Yeah.
You just use client as a prefix to the release name, is it?
So you basically come here, draft, right? You do the same thing. Let's say you go to the release. It's this one is I'm just using this one as an example, right? So, create a new tag, right? Then you just say client. You see, it's a client version a dot something.
Mhm.
Yeah. It's just really just the name of the tag will be like this, but you still just tag from the release dash, the same branch basically. Yeah. So let's say if you made some changes only affects the server side, does not affect client, then you don't have to always tag this, right? Sometimes like we just release, let's say a patch release, there's no need to do another client release. So you'll see there are more server-side releases than the client-side releases for Snapshotter. Right? Normally it's like first time if you really made some API changes, some client-side changes, you have to tag it. Otherwise you don't tag it.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so they don't have to be like on par and
Yeah, you don't have to always, like we don't always tag the client. It's not necessary, right? There's no client-side changes. But this one actually does not have, because we didn't really change the client side. This one does not really have the client-side changes. So it's not always tagged, right? So like this, so like we have a client side tag for 8.2, right? After that, if there are no API changes, no client side changes, you don't have to always keep tagging it. You can, because they can just go back to the latest one. Well, if you want, you can just always at least tag it once for, let's say you have a minor release, then you just also do a client release. But if you only did a patch release for, let's say if you did the 8.2.1, then you don't have to do like a client 8.2.1. There's no change in the client, right? Yeah. So it's not always
Yeah, makes
necessary.
sense.
Yeah. Like in this case, actually, it's good to still have it. Otherwise, they look confused. Maybe people, they don't know which one to go with, right? So actually, this is sort of good to have one, even though there are no client-side changes. So,
okay, I'll try to tag and push it to the report tomorrow and see how
okay,
it goes.
okay.
Yeah, so we were trying to import this in on another repository and we faced trouble. So yeah, so this should be able to solve. Thanks.
Okay. And okay. Oh, so this one, I mean, Ben, if you get a chance, you take a look, review this, PR.
Yeah, I haven't been doing reviews this week. I got caught up in something high priority, but
Yeah.
I do intend to review these.
Okay. All right, thank you. And then there is another thing I like to discuss it when Carl is around actually. So this is so I actually opened the issue so you guys can, I have a link here, you guys can take a look, but I like to talk about it when he's around. But I added a link here. So we can talk about this next
I
week.
had a question regarding that,
Mhm.
like regarding the one-off parameter in the client-side spec. Uh, so it's the one-off thing is still backward compatible, right? Like the current base snapshot name will still work, even if we change the spec, right? Like I'm reading the document you've added.
Oh, okay, yeah. You don't have so basically like you don't have to add any. So this one was saying if you it's just this should work for you as well. Basically, right? If you don't change, because this is really your I mean the handle. Your handle is different. Everybody's handle is different. This is just saying, hey, if someone want to support this, they can just have some additional information in their handle. But for you, you don't have to change your handle, right?
Not the handle. Regarding the
Sorry,
client side, like if you scroll down
client side.
just
Client
to
side.
the spec, yeah, it's, even lower. So currently we just have like snapshot name as the field, and the proposal is to have a one-off field.
Oh,
So
so this actually, I think Carl was, so actually I want Carl to be here because I think he was saying something that
okay.
maybe I missed here. Because I think initially we were saying, hey, this is one off, but I think he is saying, I believe he was saying just one, just always use handle, he was saying, because this way we don't really need to worry about this. Basically, if you provide a handle, then I think there's just one less step to find the snapshot. You already got the handle, right? Because if you get a name, you have to retrieve this from Kubernetes and then get a handle anyway. But if we already have the
Yeah.
handle, just use handle. I think that's what he was saying. So so I think I need to confirm because I remember this, and then remember he said something else. So okay, let me add a note here saying need to confirm it's to
Yeah.
confirm with
So if
Carl.
handle is there, we don't need the namespace as well.
We don't need, yeah, we don't really need both. It's confusing actually. It's fine. This is generic anyway, right? You just always
Yeah.
use the handle, then we don't really have to go retrieve it.
Yeah.
Car and don't need one off anymore. Only use handle. Always use handle. Should work. All right, I'll just say it. Let me just maybe I'll just copy this and then put it down here saying, oh no, just this one. Right, so I think this should be sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I think it would be good if he's here, he can go over this one so as I don't miss anything because I'm not familiar with this part. Okay. And then, yeah, this is only the changes, this external snapshot or external snapshot metadata API. It does not change CSS spec, it does not change RBACs, anything. So should not be a huge change. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so yeah, please review this since I also have an issue. I opened the issue there. I included the issue in here. So you can take a look. You can also comment on the comment in the stock as well. Can talk about this when he's back. Okay, well.
Okay.
Prasad, will Carl be back next week? I mean, not in 2 weeks, in next meeting?
Yeah, he should be there.
Okay, I think then, then that's this one for CBT. This has to do
Yeah.
happening. Huh?
Had
Sorry.
one more update.
Yes.
So there is a new Ceph release. So CVT feature for Ceph CSI will be next Ceph CSI release, that is 3.15.0, which will be released soon. Okay, I'm not sure. I think I have bad internet.
Sorry.
But I've edited
Release
it and the suggestions should appear soon.
here, I'm sorry. What release? Self release? I'm sorry. Which release you're talking about?
Yeah, Ceph storage release.
Oh, okay.
I've done it in my doc, but it's not
Oh, yeah. Here we see
appeared.
need to release. Okay.
Yeah. So in next Ceph CSI release driver, the CVT feature should be available for use for everyone.
Okay. When you sorry, you're saying did you give us some timeline? I maybe I missed it.
Yeah, it should be about in like the next month.
Oh.
In a month. Next, yeah.
So targeting August, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thanks for that update. Okay, so that's this. And then replication. So okay, so this one has to have update. So this one still kind of we have a voting group set. So there is a PR on the API update. I think still need additional implementation PRs that's not out yet. So maybe next week it will be out. So yeah. So that's it. I don't have anything else. Anything else you guys want to discuss? If not, we
How many total CSI changes are yet to be reviewed? And what's the deadline?
see section. Okay, so in addition to this, I think there are mainly two, I believe, right? So this is one, and then the other one is the VAC change, right? Well, where's the VAC?
Oh, I was just thinking I could use the remainder of this hour to do some reviews.
Yes, please. So so one is, do you want me to pin you on your, maybe on your Slack? I can give that.
Yeah. If you want to send me some links, that'll speed
Yeah,
it up.
let me give you to that. Yeah. Yeah. So this is one that is kind of, yeah, this is more kind of, we have some timeline for this one. I know the other one, CBT one is more like just like a doc change kind of thing. So I think only these two are like, we really want to get into next release, right? The other things are maybe optional.
Wasn't there a build related one where we're having some problems with
So,
the CI?
but it looks like she got it resolved. I think that looks like it's like her, she
Was it a user error in the
yeah, I
end?
think she did something. I forgot what. Oh, I think it was because she was not doing that in this Go, you need to.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm glad not to have to deal with that
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
short
I
term.
also thought, yeah, I think you see, this one didn't include those changes, but this now had passed. I think it's just because she
Cool.
was not running the correct folder. Uh, yeah, like the go pass something. Yeah, that was wrong. That's the reason. Yeah, I also thought it's weird, very strange problem because I did not see those when I tried it on mine. So yeah, so that I don't think she. Okay, so I can check with her and just see if she's, because I think that one is not
No,
required.
I'll just ignore it. I'll take your word for
Yeah,
it, and
because
I'll
that one
focus on the
has
ones
some,
that need reviewing.
because this one has, is, you see, didn't, I think she's trying to update some libraries, but I think there are, it's, but there are failures, right? Like when I run this didn't get generated. Like when she ran it, those files get generated is quite weird, right? Because you see, when I did it, this is what I got. That's all I got. There's no extra thingy, right? So I think, yeah, I think you can just ignore this one since, everything else passed anyway. We probably should update the Go, Go version and all of this. It's just not required. If you want, we can still, if we were not in a hurry, we can try to get those in because this worked for me. She can try it again to get, yeah, this is still, I think it's still running in the wrong path. That's why she have those like extra files, like all of those libgo CSS. This should not be changed at all. Yeah. Okay. But not required. So I think maybe just focus on those two that are required, right? Otherwise, too many things. Yeah. So I'll
All
pin
right.
these are the two. This is the
Thank
main
you, Shane.
one. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, is there any oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, folks. Bye.